Hello friends, today we are gonna taste Hershey Milk Chocolate Flavor Chocolate. This Hershey chocolate is from since 1894 and I have chosen milk chocolate flavor which is 40 gram. Okay. No need to waste time because it will get melt, so we will open it and taste it. My God, it's not work. It's not. Oh wow. Oh yes. Wow. It looks so delicious. Oh wow. Okay, let's taste it. Mmm. Very delicious. Oh my God. So delicious. My God. I didn't taste like this delicious chocolate in my life. Oh, very chocolatey and very tasty. Very delicious. It's very nice. Okay, friends. Bye, friends. Signing off. Bye, BB Praveen.